How you doing?
How are you?
Pretty good.
I'm good early.
Oh, no problem. I was here. I appreciate it.
Going.
Pretty good. How are you?
Oh, wow. Pretty cute. Look, this is beautiful.
A little bit of everything in
Is it
here.
like a warehouse?
Well, I'm in some liquidation store, so I got kind of a little bit of everything in here.
Is this for sale?
Yeah, everything's for sale. Let me look it up for you.
I look at the LGBT center, so that looks like something that should be there.
Where's that located at?
The LGBT center over in Detroit and Gordon Square.
Oh, okay.
It's a beautiful big glass building. That's so nice.
Yeah, if you wanted $45 is yours if you wanted it.
Okay.
Yeah.
I like it. I think I like it. Right.
Yeah. Let me show you that mower.
Yeah.
This was it right here.
You're so freaking expensive.
I know, yeah.
Ridiculous. Okay.
So this is all you do to start it. The battery's already in. You just press the button for the trigger. It starts right up. Very awesome.
Because you press this and pull this.
Yeah, pull that back. Yeah. Oh yeah, it's super light.
Wow.
Yeah.
You know I'm old. Old lady. Okay. Okay.
Yeah, it's super light.
This is the battery, right?
Yeah, it's a battery power. So you just
How
come.
long does the battery last?
You know what? I actually use one because I do lawn care. I use mine, so I cut like maybe 4 or 5 yards with it.
Oh, really?
And then the battery goes out. So you're gonna just cut a yard and then charge it right after.
The back and then the front. But it's
it's
nice size, but it's not like over.
Yeah, you're gonna be able to cut it each time and just charge it afterwards.
Just charge it.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's not gonna go out on you.
Okay. Now, does this come up? Does this fold up?
Yeah, for everything folds. Yeah, you guys see.
Okay.
Fold it like that.
Okay.
Then you take the bagger off, and then that's all the mulching plate if you want to mulch, and then if you want to just let it go out the side, you put the side discharge plate on it.
Okay.
Yeah, and then the charger's in there.
Okay.
Yeah.
Wonderful.
So you don't even have to bag it if you don't want.
Okay.
Yeah.
And I think. Oh yeah.
See, they store like this, so they easily store.
Nice.
You just set them right up.
Okay, so let me do this, and then I'll open my.
So they store. You just push them up like that. Yeah, super easy. Yeah.
Okay. Well, thank you. So let me go on here. Oh, let me look at this.
Okay.
Oh, I love it. Oh, see, I cannot come in here. This is beautiful.
Yeah, that's what I'm trying to collect some. I'm doing 45 for all the paint. So.
Oh, nice. Okay, I'm sorry. Do you want to be my
That's what I'm here for. I'm gonna take the battery out of it. Yeah, because you don't want it to cut on you. Well, I'll put it on the other side. Those are a bunch of mirrors.
No, you know what? I love that. And you know what? I wish I would have known. I just bought some from the marketplace from someone.
Oh, okay.
And I needed 2 chairs.
Yeah, well, you know, I'm here now. I got a bunch of odd stuff.
I'm gonna take this one.
Okay.
And then
yeah. It's like a phone.
That's beautiful.
$20 is yours.
Shut up. Okay, take it. I'm gonna take it.
I got you.
Okay, so wait a minute. So get that. I'm taking that.
Well, you doing a card or
I'm gonna do a card.
Okay.
Yeah, I can do Zelle, or I can do
Zelle is no tax. With a card it is tax.
I don't know, whatever. You do Zelle?
Yeah, I can do Zelle.
Okay. Yeah, I just have to put you in.
How much did I tell you for the mower?
I think I'm here.
I'm about to look it up.
I'm like a good negotiator.
You said you're not a good one?
Not really.
Oh, wow.
I know.
So talk me down $20.
I know. Okay. Am I talking you down $20?
Talk me down $250.
Okay.
I got you.
Then it's mine.
$250 and a good review.
Okay. Oh, you got that right. Is this is electric?
Yeah, all of those are battery.
Okay.
$250. And then you say you wanted that
that picture,
250.
that fountain.
So you had 315. So I think I'll give you a code where you could just take a picture.
All right. From the Zelle?
Yeah.
But I think you have to see. I think I have to put you.
Well, yeah, you can put my email too.
All right. Maybe if I just do your name, that's what I do yesterday.
Oh, yeah, you can scan the QR code. Let me show you.
Oh yeah. Also, I don't have to do all the other stuff. See, you just taught me something.
You see, if I could.
Oh, no worries. I mean, I gotta use that. My view. It's like view my view. Okay, sensor code.
So here's the QR.
Oh, okay. So view my QR code.
And then click scan at the top.
Oh, okay. Yeah. And then we put a total.
Yeah, I mean whatever you had to put your price in, and then
I need to put it here.
It might go afterwards, so whatever price you put afterward.
Okay.
Yeah, just wait till you.
Okay, so you give me the total. Okay, so you got this, right?
Yeah, that was it's 315 so far. 250 for the mower, 45 for the pitcher. If you want them both, I'll do 80 for both of them. So that's 40 each.
You have another one similar to like this?
No, I actually just saw one. It was very similar to that one.
My space is so little for that.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
I got you 315.
Okay, so now
Should be mowing and plowing. Yep.
Okay. Oh.
Yeah.
Okay, and it's 315.
Yeah, 315. No tax.
Okay, got it.
Perfect.
And then and view, and then find this clip. Okay, am I sure? No. No, you're wasting my time.
No, I'm here. I'm here all day.
Okay, so let's see if the damage went through.
Usually takes a second.
Yeah, add more, but I'll add you to my content. Oh.
Yeah, if you never used me before, it's going to have you add all that stuff.
Yeah, guys. Thank you. And are these snow blowers?
No, those are pressure washers.
That's a pressure washer?
Yep.
Oh, I didn't know. I like it. Do you do stuff?
Says I think it went through. I'm not sure.
Okay, you can check out.
Afterwards, it says success. So when I put my name in, check and see if it went out.
Let me know.
It takes a minute to actually.
Oh, yeah, right here. Next up, check yours to make sure I went through.
Yeah, we can look. By the time I load it up, it should go through.
Thank you.
I don't know why it always takes a minute on mine.
If you didn't repress our page, that. There's this one. Yep, right here.
All right.
It pops up for you though.
By the time I get done, I'm on this shit. Probably right over here.
Yep, right there.
Oh, okay.
Is it okay if I grab it?
Yeah. Good light. Yeah.
Oh.
Oh, perfect. Okay, so we knocked that one out. She bought a lawnmower, a fountain, and a nice looking picture. Total came at $315. Sweet lady, you see I gave her a discount on that lawnmower, even more of a discount than I already had. I like to do right by people, so I was looking out for her. But overall, that sale was easy breezy. Now we on to the next one. Okay, quick timeout, y'all. We got this new vanity in. Check it out. It looks real good. So I just got this thing in. Haven't even priced it out yet. You'll be the first to see it. It's a 48-inch vanity, brand new, soft close vanity. Doesn't come with the sink or the faucet. Online it's listed for I think $1,600. I want to say So I got to figure out a price on it. I got it for super cheap, but just wanted to show you guys. Now we're on to the next sale. How you doing?
How are you? I'm good. I'm Joanne. I had messaged you
about the blower.
Yep.
Yeah.
And it's a vacuum too, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Let me show you.
Come on, don't touch anything. Oh, this is nice. This hutch is nice. How much are you selling this hutch for?
Let's see. You know what? That's actually missing some
Okay.
some shelving.
Oh,
That's why I
okay.
haven't shown you.
That's like the closet hutch. Okay.
Yeah.
That's really nice.
You wanted $50 is yours. It's taking up so much space.
Okay. Oh, I let my husband know. That is nice.
But here's the back. I have one of them open already. You
Okay.
can check it out. See how it is.
Okay. I think I've seen this like at the Home Depot. It was like for $100.
Yeah, I should sell it for more.
Yeah, I'm like, oh, he got some really good prices.
You know, I had a bunch of them, so yeah.
Because we have a pretty big backyard, and I still have some leaves back there that we need to get rid of.
Yeah, cards.
Okay. It's like a backpack.
Yeah, kind of you vacuum it up, or you can hook it up where you can blow it.
Okay, as long as everything is in here, it's good.
You can take that one or one.
I'll take that.
Either or. I just only up one else so people can see what it is.
Yeah, I'll take a new one. I'll leave the one that's not open. That's cool.
Here's the card too, because you don't need lawn care. We do that too.
Oh, you do lawn care?
Yeah, that's what I made it.
Okay.
Snow plowing. Yeah.
Okay. Well, definitely. How about do you do any yard work like planting good flower beds?
We don't do any flowers or anything like that.
Okay.
But I do have contractors that do. I should reach out to them for
Okay.
We try to stick to the landscaping, but not far as the plants.
Okay.
Warranties and all of that.
Okay.
Yeah.
Don't touch anything. Okay, here. Do you take card?
Yeah, I can. It's tax this way.
Okay.
It's tax with a card. So.
Don't touch anything.
How much did I have it for?
You listed for 50.
50.
So you got so much stuff here. I'm like, oh my
I
God.
know it's a lot of randomness.
We doing so. I know, but that's what I need because I'm always looking for something. And how much? I see you got the rotillers.
Till I don't even know if I have a price. A lot of it's kind of because I do lawn care. I was renting equipment out too, so
Yeah.
we would rent that out. But we stopped the rent part of it.
Okay. Oh, okay. I got you. So now you just pretty much sell it.
Yeah, so I just brought the lawn equipment in just to haven't really priced anything out yet. You just tap it up there.
You know what? My tap don't work, so I might have to slide it.
Oh, no, man.
Or
No, Joy, I'm not being ice.
do your chip work?
Yeah, chill, right?
Yeah, stay free.
All right, get off the couch. Get off the couch.
Okay.
Here, I'll carry it out for you.
I appreciate it. Thank you. I really appreciate it.
No problem.
And you said you sell mostly, so like one of these days I really just want to come and just look at some of the
Yeah,
stuff
go
you
check it
have.
out. I'll shoot you the website because everything's on the website.
Off the couch, come over here. Okay.
It's kind of hard seeing there. A lot of boxes here.
Yeah.
Kind of hard seeing.
You got some humidifier, like I'm always just buying stuff. This is like
You come from Florida?
heaven. No, I'm from Cleveland Heights. Yep. You got 25 minutes.
Are you really meant 5 minutes. I thought you meant 5 o'clock.
No, I'm legit. I work right there at True Line.
Okay.
Hi there. Thanks for meeting me.
Yeah, no problem at all. These are it right here.
Okay.
So,
Quick question.
yeah.
Is there any difference between this spot and the one next door? I mean,
Yeah, he's
name,
like yes, he's
but
a pawn
totally
shop.
different?
Yeah, completely different. Yeah.
Because he lists this kind of stuff too with his address.
Yeah.
Okay.
So he has similar stuff as well. Yeah,
Okay.
it's kind of a pawn shop.
All right, so
Yeah.
this is what you've got available.
Yeah.
I'm assuming
nothing
out of the
available.
package, are these like Amazon returns or
Yeah,
something?
Amazon returns or Home Depot. I get Home Depot, but these are probably Amazon.
Okay.
So they all work. I tested each and every one of them. So
Okay. Do you
Yeah.
know anything about them?
I use them. So I got this one at home, and I just started using them because the customers come in here and buy them all the time. So like maybe 30 of them. So
Yeah.
and they said something about the lymphatic system and it just shakes you. It's a good workout to be honest.
Now the one I was looking at, I think it was 60 or 70.
Yeah, all of them. I had them at different prices, but I sell them so many of them. I just put them all at 70,
Okay.
and the smaller ones I put at 45.
Now, question.
Yeah.
The new ones online from Amazon are like $89.90.
Okay.
So
I'm assuming that's
depending
probably those
on the
right
models. Well, like this one I know is online for, I think it's 89.
You know, those are 130.
130. Okay, well then
yeah.
it must be the smaller ones.
Yeah, the
Alright.
smaller ones are usually around that cheaper price. That's why I put them a little
I
cheaper.
really didn't want to spend 90.
No, I'm not. They're 70. I got them for 70.
70.
Yeah.
The smaller ones are 72.
The smaller ones are 45. I got
Okay.
Yeah.
But I wonder the smaller ones probably have like weight restrictions and stuff. No.
I'm assuming they do.
Yeah.
I never use the smaller one. It seems that one seems a little too small to be honest.
So they're out of the packaging. Do they come? I see a couple
Yeah,
here.
and all the boxes behind it come
Okay.
with the cords
And
and
it- okay.
like the exercise
What
bands.
else you got in here?
A bunch of randomness. You can look around and check it out.
Heck yeah. I might have some people that can buy some. Oh,
Yeah, it's a.
I like that chair.
You see, it's a lot easier if you look on the website because a lot of stuff is in boxes. So,
And I know
Yeah,
somebody
right.
who needs a lawnmower. Are these all brand new too?
some used, I sell used and new. So all the battery power are new,
Good for
and
you.
then that
Oh,
one
yeah,
was
that one's a
used.
little
That
bit
one's
old.
used, and then new. I get probably another couple weeks. I get a bunch in, and you gotta let the season start a little bit for
Of
you to start
course.
returning a little bit. So
Of course.
yeah,
Good for you.
yeah, appreciate
Now I'm
it.
all like intrigued. What else can I buy while I'm here? Huh.
I say I gotta get everything out of boxes because it's almost impossible to see what it is.
Sure.
I'm working on that now.
I like that too. Aw.
Yeah, that's flawed. I didn't even post that yet.
Mm.
I'm a person post it for cheap probably. I try to get newer items. I don't really like dealing with the used, but if it is used, I just put it up for really cheap.
Sure. Alright, so now decision. Are you cash only? I should
No, I
probably
do
ask
a
that.
card, cash cards,
Okay.
whatever you got.
I should have probably asked.
The card it is a tax, so that's the only thing.
Yeah, I don't think I have enough cash. Unless
if
you
got
do
Zelle-
like, do you have Venmo?
No, I don't have Venmo.
Zelle's
I gotta
like
get
the
Venmo.
one that I haven't downloaded yet. I
Yeah, I
got
have to
all
get
the rest
Venmo.
of them.
I got everything except Venmo. And everyone comes in and says Venmo.
Do you have Venmo? Alright, I just want to see if these have, this one has a weight restriction.
Yeah,
Which one would I like better? I don't know.
I got two of these. I got this one and that one, a black and a red. Well, no, I got actually a purple one in there.
Huh. Oh wait, I know what I can do.
They all say 300 and something pounds, like 350, I believe.
Do they?
With that, I've been seeing.
Well then why offer the smaller ones, you know what I'm saying?
I guess just because it's cheaper.
I mean,
And a
Just
lady
skinny
actually came in
people.
and said it's for kids too. She had, I forgot, some sort of disease or something where it works out for her. She had it in her school. She bought a couple of them. So maybe that's what it's for.
maybe. I think this one's wider. Would you agree?
I can get a tape, man. Let me get a tape.
Don't go doing all that.
No, we can. I mean, might as
The
well.
one thing I am curious about though is if I'm gonna buy it out of the box, I would like to try, just make sure it turns
we can
on.
cut it out inside outlet right there.
Oh, is there?
Yeah.
Alright.
The only reason I take them out of the box because it's impossible to sell anything with this in the box.
Sure.
So I'll take everything out of the box.
That makes sense. Oh, there's, right in front of my face. How much for the little tree?
$40 is yours. I just got it.
Thought you were gonna come with like Mr. Allen's 2 for $5.
That's better than what I got. I probably should take this one.
Right though? Just want to make sure it runs.
Oh, you just press play and play button.
Oh, okay.
You ever used one before?
My best friend has one, and she's been using it like religiously. What's something?
So,
Oh, there we go.
yeah.
For like a couple of months now, and like all, just like you said, everybody's using them now.
Yeah. I was looking for the weight when it was done showing.
Oh, what's that? Turn it on. All right.
Shakes you up real good, I'll tell you that.
Well, I'm gonna hold you to that.
I've been using it kind of like a after workout, kind of get your body, it feels good after you get done using it.
Sure. I'll let you.
Yeah.
You've got the height
This
difference.
is a hard one. Oh, you want that back?
Yeah. I've gotta go through all that. And it would take me too long to maybe sure I don't have to sell. Oh wait.
It's usually through your bank account, whatever bank account you have.
No, I downloaded it but never went ahead with it, so I will just do a card. Good enough. Oh.
Here we go. Oh, he's put it up here after I'm selling all his moves.
Ooh, wait a minute.
Which one is it?
The little glow up mirror.
Oh, okay. Oh, you know how to play it?
I need to stop looking around. A scrub zone? What the hell does that do? A carpet rake? I don't even, okay. Bring me out before I go crazy.
You know, that type of store, just a bunch of random items.
Right?
Yeah. It's 5 in tax. I wonder if I can. Let me see if I can just take the card from this. All right, I put it down at 60 cents. Okay, 71.
Thank you.
Tap it. Yeah, all set.
Awesome. Thank you very much. I appreciate
No
it.
problem. Will you carry it to the car, baby?
No. I don't know how heavy was it.
Yeah, it was. Well, let me keep it. It was a little bit of weight.
Well, I'm not gonna put on the help considering.